Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about James Webb Telescope. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the most powerful space telescope ever built, has taken some of the first recognized pictures that NASA has shared. The James Webb Space Telescope was built through an international partnership between the Canadian, European and American space agencies. It has been in development since the 1990s and, according to NASA, aims to explore cosmic history, taking a deeper look at our own galaxy and the many that came before it. The James Webb Space Telescope was put into orbit on December 25, 2021, from the French Guiana spaceport in Kourou, South America, thanks to a European Ariane 5 rocket. The telescope has released its first images from space after a 30-day journey from the launch pad to an operational orbit about 1 million miles from Earth. Weeks of maneuvering, orienting, and deploying hundreds of mechanical parts. And finally, an unexpectedly recognizable view of its enormous primary mirror. The collection of photos depicts an unremarkable star, HD 84406, in the constellation Ursa Major that was selected for JWST calibration mostly due to its low brightness. Each of Webb's 18 main mirror segments, which together form the telescope's 6.5-meter wide, 21-foot, primary mirror, reflects light to produce an image. In this case, the near-infrared camera captured those images after they were reflected into a secondary mirror, NIRCAM. All 18 mirror segments will eventually be aligned to the level of individual light wavelengths, nanometer precision, and focused until all 18 images of star HD 84406 merge into one, assuming all goes according to plan during the protracted calibration and commissioning phase. Finally, calibration is required for each of the telescope's numerous sophisticated instruments. On February 2, image capture operations started. After 25 hours, JWST was able to locate HD 84406 within all 18 mirror segments and generate 1,560 photographs using NIRCAM's 10 detectors, totaling 54 terabytes of raw data. Webb had to be moved 156 times to collect HD 84406 images accurately. Because the segment dots might have been that dispersed throughout the sky, the original search region was roughly the size of the full moon, according to Marshall Perrin, deputy telescope scientist for Webb and astronomer at the Space Telescope Science Institute. The fact that Webb collected so much data on the first day necessitated seamless coordination between the observatory in space and all of its science operations and data processing systems on Earth. Early on in that search, we very nearly found light from all 18 segments. This is a fantastic place to start when aligning mirrors. NASA also released an unexpected, eerie, selfie of the observatory's primary mirror array with the vital sensor NIRCAM, short for near-infrared camera. As its other three sensors reach their intended cryogenic working temperatures and start collecting data, Webb's images will only get clearer, more detailed, and more intricate going forward. In the summer of 2022, the first scientific photographs are anticipated to be released to the public. Although the confirmation that Webb is a working telescope is a significant event, there is still more work to be done in the coming months to get the observatory ready for full scientific operations with all four of its components. NASA. The entire business side of the telescope, including all mirrors, sensors, and most instruments, must be kept incredibly cold, closer to absolute zero than any temperature humans are accustomed to, because Webb prioritizes weak infrared wavelengths of light to detect extraordinarily distant objects in our universe. The telescope shields itself from the heat of the sun, which it must be constantly exposed to power itself using solar arrays, with a multi-layer sun shield the size of a tennis court. The outermost layer, which operates at a blistering 230 degrees Fahrenheit, will always face the sun and reflect the majority of its heat. However, the shield's layers will get progressively colder so that the JWST's equipment can continue to operate at a cryogenic -370 degrees Fahrenheit. The largest, most potent, and most intricately designed space-based observatory ever created is the James Webb Space Telescope. If commissioning is as successful as launch, deployment, and early alignment, Webb will one day contribute to the understanding of the secrets of our solar system as well as the exploration of far-off planets around other stars and the enigmatic origins of the cosmos. International partners ESA, European Space Agency, and CSA are part of the Webb mission, which is sponsored primarily by NASA, Canadian Space Agency. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before you go. Thank you so much for watching us.